Hey, good morning, budding theologians. I hope that you are having a good summer. I hope you are enjoying the class. As you can hear, I'm suffering from a fair bit of a summer cold right now. That happens. Um, we have reached week 5. We have passed the halfway point of the summer term, and for the most part, y'all are doing great. I've appreciated hearing what you've had to say on the voice threads and reading the journals and your reflection papers. You're doing a great job. So, this week we're going to get into something that's a little bit deeper theologically. We're going to deal with the problem of pain. Obviously, there's pain and tragedy and brokenness in the world, and we're going to just do some reflecting on it. So, part of the idea is um, if God is loving and God is good, why is there still pain in the world? Why doesn't God just fix it and take it away? So, some of the issues are free will and what does it mean for us to have real free will? Um, I often tell a story in traditional on ground classes. I'll tell it right now. Back when I was between my 11th and 12th grade year, 1986, a long time ago, I was dating a girl named Beth, and I was so in love with Beth. I wanted to marry Beth and live happily ever after. It would have been just so wonderful. And that summer, I went out to work on the West Coast in Canada, and she stayed home. And even though I was flirty with some girls out on the West Coast, when I found out that she had gone out on a couple dates with a guy back in Saskatchewan, I was heartbroken. And soon after that, she was dating a guy named Llewellyn Poitevin. Oh, I wanted to punch that guy in the face. Anyways, but I wanted to win Beth back, and the problem is I couldn't make her come back to me. I could try and woo her with my wooing ways, but you can't make somebody love you. And she had a free choice to reject my love, and she did. Now, that worked out fine for me because I married the wonderful Jennifer who works in the records office, and hopefully you will meet during your time here at Greenville. And we do have the happily ever after going on, but back in 1986, I thought Beth was the one. And so, anyways, we've got this issue of free will and the effects of free will. And people can choose to do evil. And, if God is loving and God is all powerful, why can't God stop that? So that's kind of the crux of the issue that we're going to talk about. And the way we're going to do it is this. I'm going to have you watch a movie. The movie is The Shack. The movie was made from a book that was written by William Young, I don't know, 10 or 15 years ago or so. You should be able to find the movie pretty easily. Probably is available on Netflix or Hulu, or you can get it in a library. But the first thing I want you to do this week is to watch that movie. So it gets into the ideas of the problem of evil. I don't want to spoil everything for you, but there's a pretty significant tragedy that happens at the beginning of the movie, and the main character Mac has to deal with that tragedy, and then has an interesting interaction with all three members of the Trinity, who maybe could have used God's power to stop this terrible tragedy, but didn't. And so, watch the movie, watch it with an open mind. You don't have to agree with everything in the movie. That's okay. Part of it is just to get you thinking. And then in the voice thread this week and in the journals and stuff, we're going to be focusing on the movie and the problem of evil. And I think you'll find it interesting. There's a lot going on. And anyways, I look forward to listening to what you have to say about it and reading some of the things that you need to say or want to say and your thoughts about evil and sin and brokenness and judgment and some of those things in the world. So hope you have a great week. As always, if you need to contact me, you've got questions, you've got concerns, you just want to talk, please feel free to do that. You can call me. My phone number is on the syllabus, or you can email me or text me, and I'll get back to you pretty quickly. Hope you have a great week. Bye-bye.